Woodland friends, so we were talking about birds and we made some bird feeders. So now I would like to show you how you can make a bird basket so that they can collect the scraps out of it to make their nest. So first you need a balloon and you need some string cut into pieces. And you need a Ziploc baggie and some glue. This is glue from school because we used all of our glue the other day to make slime at our house. And we need a plate. So first I'm going to pour some glue into my bag. And then I'm going to put my yarn in the bag. I'm going to zip it up. I'm going to get the yarn all over in the glue. Now I'm going to blow up my balloon. I'm going to tie a knot so the air doesn't come out. Can you see this glue on the string? We're gonna wrap the string all the way around the balloon. And you'll need a lot of string to go around the balloon. We want to cover the string all the way around the balloon. So we can make a basket out of it. And then after your string is all over your balloon, I forgot my cup. You can set it inside of a cup and let it dry. I let one dry, and I made another one so we could do it today. And this is what mine looks like after it's already dried. I need to go wash the glue off of my hands. I'll be right back.